Hello, links here. In this tutorial, I will talk about run cycle animation. Here I used the 6-frame method anime production usually use, meaning there is no suspended frame, on threes. First, you need to define 3 guidelines at the top and 2 at the bottom. For running, the top of the head moves up and down during the motion, using the reference lines as a guide. The 2 bottom lines are perspective lines, indicating the ground position for the front and back foot. Run it on the spot tracking camera uses the head as a reference point for vertical movement. Forward running uses the foot's landing point as a reference for forward movement. The 6 frames are: contact the moment the toes touch the ground. While this differs from actual running, it is represented this way in animation. Passing, down legs crossing, lowest. Push up, pushing the body forward, highest. The remaining 3 drawings are the reverse of the above 3. Use contrapposto to create dynamic poses. The silhouettes should have a clear rhythmic design and shape. That's it! Thanks for watching! Remember to subscribe if you find this helpful.